So we finally moved into our RV. Like, this is unbelievable. Kind of hard to believe, but here we are. So last night we spent the night at this amazing RV park, surrounded by trees, nature, beautiful. So I figured, let me do a tour real quick of the RV before we put stuff everywhere and it gets super messy. Aiden's hanging out in his room. My husband's probably, I don't know, having breakfast or lunch or whatever. So come on, show you guys inside. So I walk in. So over here is Aiden's room. Oh, Aiden, what are you doing? So his room closes up like that when he wants privacy. He has his name right here. You can open up and see him. Aiden, tell me about your room.
Oh, okay. Here's safe. Here's a soccer ball. Here's a football.
Bless you.
Thank you. And here's laundry. And here's a pillow. A pillow that looks like a sword. Here's another pillow that looks like a sword. This is my picture. This is my sign to tell me, to remind me about my mom. And this is the window. I like to peek my head out of here. And that's all of my room. Wait, forgot. That's the fan.
What about what's back there? All the way back there.
Games and coloring and slime.
Games and calling him slang? What about what's over there? I know it's kind of messy, but his clothes are in that bin over there. And then he also has clothes under here. Oh my God, it's kind of hard to reach under here. And then this is kind of all his school stuff. So he has a lot of school stuff, and we need to figure out what to do with this. That's all school bins, clothes, school stuff, his backpack, school stuff. And Bits box. So this is Aiden's little area.
It's my only room.
It's your only room?
Give it up for anybody.
Okay. Okay, son. See you later.
Bye. My room.
Awesome. You're silly, Aiden. And then over here is the living room area. I put one of Aiden's mats on here so he can play his trains and cars with. We haven't figured out a place for shoes yet. So all our shoes are like underneath the couch. So we got to get that figured out. Over here we have this little bag, so we have fruit inside. Right here is our laundry bag. Again, we haven't figured out where to put that, so it's still there. And basically this is the living room area. We have these bins up here. Aiden, there's no TV in here, silly. We have these bins up here where we store, like, you know, all our supplies and snacks and all kinds of stuff in there. And then this is kind of like an ottoman. It's going to stay here. We have blankets and other stuff that we store in there. Over here is the kitchen. My favorite part of the RV. It's kind of dark, so maybe we should turn the light on or something. You're going to turn the light on for me? Don't hurt yourself. So we don't have a ladder here, so Aiden has to kind of jump down. You turn it on? Okay. So you push that up, and then the light comes on. Oh, before I forget, this is the front cab area. The driver's seat, passenger seat. And so Aiden, how do you go up to your room?
I use the couch or the driver's seat.
Yeah, he got to use the couch or the driver's seat to get up to his room. We don't have a ladder yet, but we'll get one later.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
This is the living room area, like I mentioned earlier. And then over here, my husband's having... But what is this, breakfast or lunch?
This is brunch.
He's having brunch. And Aiden's car seat is right there that he can sit in. We have a flower, picture frame, some of his school stuff. And then underneath, we have a little bin where we keep all our electronics and fly swatters. And then we have another ottoman right here. This is actually Aiden's toy box. So all his toys are in here. His toolbox, toys, and basically everything that he needs is inside.
Why do you have this though?
What's that? Oh, this? Well, I put this over here because the table gets messy. It's just kind of like a table cover. We got this from IKEA, and my husband replaced this. So we have this on here, so kind of keeps the table clean. And this is probably my favorite wall in the RV, which is this and this. The map and this little quote. I love that. Again, that's the kitchen. So my husband just made some food. So the frying pan's right here. That's there. That's a tea, coffee maker. My little favorite bowl. my little favorite bowl right here. And then we have an Amazon. What is this, Aiden? An Alexa or what?
Alexa.
Your device is offline.
Oh, whatever, Alexa. And then up here, we have like
Then go to settings.
bins with cereal and sugar and everything. And then right here, we have all our dishes. We kind of put this picture frame here so that when we're driving, the dishes don't come falling out. That's why we have that there. Here we have freezer. That's our freezer. And then fridge. It's pretty full. It holds up a lot of stuff. And then we've got a few pictures up here. So right here, this leads back here to the restroom or the bathroom. This is the shower. So we haven't put this up yet. So everything is still in here because we haven't showered in here yet. But this is gonna go up, and that's where the soap is gonna go in. So for now, it's still right there on the floor. This is the bathroom, and then we have a towel hanging here. On this side, we have the toilet and the shower. I'm turning the light on because it's kind of dark. Oh, there it is. So we have lights up there. We have that. This wall is kind of plain, so we're going to put some artwork here, but we haven't put that up yet. But we have wallpaper on this side. And then the toilet. This is where we, put our towels. We haven't figured out what to do with that yet. So for now, our towels are still there. This is the bathroom. And then you open up the room. Back here is our bedroom. I love this bed. We bought this mattress from Amazon, and it's so comfortable. This is our room right here. So that's my husband's side. He's got his robe. That's my side. Cameras. We got a couple of stuff on the bed. And then underneath the bed, we have more storage here, which is pretty full. That's right there, storage we have underneath the bed. And then that's our laundry basket. We got to figure out a way to put that. And then my side has a little bit of space on that side. Here's my husband's side. He has a lot more space right here. And basically still has like stuff all over. We got to figure out, again, we're still trying to figure out where everything goes. Over there he has his boombox. And that's about it for the master.
Over here?
I just gave you a quick rundown of what our RV looks like. Like I said, we're full-time now. What do you think so far, babe?
It's fun. Being close to nature.
Being close to
in nature.
Well, so far so good. And there's a guy hanging upside down here.
Yeah.
What do you think so far about the RV?
Good.
That looks like a thumbs down. There you go. Thumbs up. Yeah, so far we've just spent one night in here. We're now officially full-time RV'ers. So far so good. I like it. Being able to just wake up and just relax and rest and not feel any pressure to get anything done like right away. I really like that. Aiden's been playing all morning. Did you meet friends today? What did you guys do today?
Do a running race and one of my friends got hurt.
A running or a riding? Or a biking?
A biking and a running race, but one of my friends got hurt.
Is your friend okay? Mm-hmm. All right. So, yeah, he's already made friends here. And basically, that's about it, right? Mm-hmm. Well, I hope you enjoyed the RV tour. So,
yay! Well,
You're so
I
silly.
already showed you my game.
Yes, you already showed your game and your room. So, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Hopefully, I can do another one soon when we get everything done, but that's going to be a while because we're doing everything just like bit by bit, and just as time goes on, we'll figure out, things to take out, move, things to add. It's just going to be basically a journey of figuring it out, but that works for me. All right. Catch you guys later. Don't forget to...
Can I twist my eyes?
Okay, Aiden. All right. What do you tell them? Don't forget to do what?
Like and subscribe.
Below, right? All right. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Da, da.
So it's afternoon time and we're having a what? A breakfast or lunch? It's a snack.
Brunch.
That's a snack? We're having brunch. Bread and egg and Danimals. Else, what are you eating? Egg and avocado?
I have more animals.
You want more Danimals? Sure, you can. There's more in the fridge.
Okay.